Welcome to Health and Beauty Stuff channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to treat gum disease and the symptoms and risks this could cause you. And if you stay until the end of this video, I will share with you a 60 seconds dental trick many people are starting to use before going to bed to rebuild their teeth and gums and even get rid of tooth decay. Gum disease is the most common reason behind adult tooth loss. No matter how healthy you keep your teeth, your mouth depends on healthy gum tissue, gingiva, to help anchor and support your tooth roots. If you don't have healthy gums, the bone underneath them, which is also responsible for supporting your teeth, won't be healthy either. And, to make matters even worse, science now shows us that having gum disease can seriously raise your risk of health problems. Causes of gum disease. 1. Oral bacteria. Dental plaque is ultimately the main cause of gum disease. When you don't brush or floss good enough, all of that bacteria hangs out along your gum lines and creeps under the edges. It could take around 7 days to start seeing swelling and redness. 2. Health issues. People with certain types of health problems are more prone to getting gum disease because of the strain to their immune system. Diabetes is one of the most common examples. Since oral biofilm feeds off of sugars, irregular blood glucose levels can add to your chances of gum disease. 3. Hormones. Pregnancy gingivitis, and the occasional monthly gum swelling, when you get your period, are common for some women. But don't blame hormones, make sure you're still practicing good oral hygiene. 4. Tobacco. Gum disease, from dip in tobacco can cover up the symptoms and mask infection, allowing it to reach severe stages before you know there's even a problem. Since tobacco products dry out your gingiva and slow blood flow, it's harder for your gums to stay healthy. 5. Genetics. Does gum disease run in your family? You might be more predisposed to it, especially since bacteria can spread when you're sharing eating utensils or kissing. Fortunately, good oral hygiene and preventative care can reduce your chances of getting gum disease, if not prevent you from getting it at all. Gum disease symptoms. If you haven't seen a dentist for an exam, and you're trying to figure out if you have gum disease, look for these common signs. Bad breath. Gums that are tender or sensitive. Bleeding when you brush or floss. Gum recession. Spaces between teeth. Teeth that are loose or shifting. Soreness when you bite down. Changes in how your teeth bite together. What's the difference between gingivitis and periodontitis? Both gingivitis and periodontitis are different stages of gum disease. On one end you have gingivitis, which is the initial stage of inflammation and redness. What you need to know is that gingivitis is still completely reversible. But, once it gets to the point where tissue is detaching from the teeth, and the bones start shrinking around your roots, you've entered into the stage of gum disease that's full-fledged periodontitis. Do you know, what does periodontitis mean? We'll break it down for you. Perio equals around. Don't equals tooth. Itis equals inflammation of. In other words, periodontitis is inflammation around your tooth. Periodontitis has different stages, ranging from mild to severe. Mild periodontal disease is minimal pocketing under the gums and mild bone loss. Moderate gum disease is more aggressive tissue deterioration and loss, with pockets up to 5 to 7 millimeters deep. Severe periodontitis involves tooth mobility and loss because of such aggressive structural damage in pockets over 7 millimeters deep. Gum disease treatment. There are several treatments, and one of them is visiting the dentist. Something that I imagine is what you want to avoid the most. Either because of fear, lack of time, or because of the high cost. One of the practices that can give you the fastest results is to improve your oral hygiene, brushing your teeth with toothpaste at least 2 times a day. Ideally 3, and flossing. And next to that, you can use a natural treatment made from 23 plants and that produces results almost overnight. Are you interested? If so, click on the link that you will find at the bottom of this video and you will have access to something that you will love. Go now. Click the link below.